how to add a pricing table to your Wix website. So here from the dashboard of Wix, I've just clicked on edit site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. So within the Wix website editor, we want to use the search tool here, and we are just going to search for price table, and I will show you how we can set this up as well. So you will see a bunch of different applications, but we want to get this one. It has the best reviews. Price table display pricing for bundles, memberships, and plans. If we click on open, then this will take us to the App Store, and we can choose to add this to site, and we will agree and add. So this will add the application to our website, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit. We can adjust where we want this added, and as soon as we left click on it, then you will see settings here right above it. As soon as we click settings, we can set this up. So price table, here we can choose the different tiers. For example, bronze membership, I will just left click on it, and then we can change this to test 1. Here we can choose the amount which we want to charge for it. So $19 per month, we can do it $1 per month. And here we will do all of the features that people will get if they actually buy this subscription. So here we can do become a patron, and we can add a second feature. If you don't want to add a second feature, we will just remove it by clicking on this trash can icon, and I will do the same one for the bronze, for the other tiers as well. So here we can add specific features, and we can also link to a website. And if we want to take a payment, we will just click on take a payment, and we can actually add our PayPal account here. After payment, we can do a button text or product info. If we click on the plus icon, then here we can type out our email address, and people can actually pay us by clicking on buy now. And that's how you set up the pricing table. So you can repeat the same process for the other tiers as well. So as you can see, we have the gold membership. We can change this to test 2, and we can set the price here, for example, $2. And just don't forget that you click on take a payment here, and like I said, you have to connect your PayPal account again. So it's super simple. All you have to do is just go through the different tiers and make your own, and then that's how you have successfully added a pricing table to your Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.